Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. Today I'm building a simple password tester with C. So let's get started. and yeah. So what we did here, we created the password variable. We took it as an input from the user. We took its length. Then we checked for every single character in the password. If it is an uppercase, we have a variable that tells us that the password contains an uppercase letter, and same for lowercase, digits and symbols. And if the password contains a lowercase character, the strength of the password will be incremented by 1. If it contains an uppercase letter, the strength of the password is incremented by 2, and so on. With digits it's incremented by 1, and with symbols it's incremented by 2. And here with the length, if the length is greater than 5, we increment by 1. Same for 15 and 10. You may ask, why didn't I just said if length is greater than 5 and 10 and 15? This is because if the password length is 15, it's stronger than if the password contains only 5 characters. So we incremented 3 times. And now with the final test, if test is less than 2, printf the password is weak. Change it now. Else, let's just copy this, copy that, and here it's 5, 7 and 10. equal. Here it's normal. Here it's strong, and here it's very strong. But first let's just test it. Let's give it like password. Password is weak. Change it now. So it's weak because it contains 8 letters. It's just like first it was the 0, then we incremented it by 1 here, and it contains a lower case letter, so the test will be equal to 2. And here, yeah, the password is weak. Change it now. So let's just test it another time. Let's try digits this time. Password 1, 2, 3. Here it's normal. Why? First, because the length of the password is above 10, so it's above 5 and above 10, so it was incremented 2 times, so it's 2. Then it contains a lowercase and a digit, so it's also incremented 2 times, so the total is 4, and 4 is less than 5 and greater than 2, so the password is normal. So yeah. Now what I wanted to say is, first let's just return true here, return 0. Sometimes, as we just saw here, the password is actually very weak password. This password 123 is actually very weak. It's because it's very common. Even if it has digits and lower cases and even upper cases, some passwords are weak by default. So what we have to do is create a list with the most common password and check if the password given by the user is in that list, then the password is weak immediately. So let's come here. Is weak. I already made this list. It's here. I preferred the list to be very short, just for the video. You can make your own list. And here, now, count equal. Here, password divided by size of password .i. Zero actually. and here. And here, what we can actually, this is list. We're gonna compare our password with all of these passwords. If the password is in this list, then we return true, else we return false. If str compare else return false. So we come here first. Before we check all of this, we check if it is weak. If is weak, give it our password, then printf password is weak. Change it now, and we return 0, so we don't go through this. Now let's test it. One of the passwords here is password, so let's test it. That's because it's an array of characters. Let's test it again. Yeah. Let's try password. Password is weak. Change it now. So to know which one of these, yeah, it's this, because it's the capital one. This is the smallest one. So yeah, it worked. I'll leave the source code in the description. So that's for today's video. Hope you learned something new. See you in the next one.